Hey guys, welcome back to Electrical Car Repair Live. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video guys to any of you having a Hyundai Tucson guys and you need to remove or replace thermostat. Now we will explain how to do that. We're demonstrating on a 2.4 GDI engine this generation here, but they actually may be helpful on other Tucsons, especially if you have a 2.4 engine as well guys. So stay with us and we will explain how to do that. There are a few things that you need to do, and one of those, if you forget guys, you can actually severely overheat your car to the point that you may need new engine or the engine rebuild. So stay with us and we'll explain what it is. Before we start, let me tell you a little bit about us guys. Every single car we get at the garage, we try to take them completely apart and make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. Why we do that? Simply because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need guys in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep providing this free information to you. Now, if you guys need to buy any parts, tools for a really good price and quick shipping as well, check out the link in the description of the video below and you can see where we get all our tools and parts from. So with that being said guys, this is the engine right here, 2.4 GDI engine. Now we have it out of the car with the cooling system and everything else, so we can demonstrate with great detail how to do things. Number one thing, you will need to make sure that you drain your coolant system guys. Okay, why? Because when you remove the thermostat, all the coolant will come out. First, coolant is poisonous. Second, you have a huge mess on your engine that can get in wires, get things wet, and that can affect things. So drain the coolant. But we have a special video that explains how to drain the coolant, but what we'll recommend, let the car sit overnight, okay, to make sure that the engine is completely cold. Slowly open the radiator cap. It never open it when it's hot because you'll be under enormous amount of pressure. It can spray coolant and blind you or severely burn you guys. So open it and later drain it. If you want to see where the drain plug is located, we have a special video on our channel that's going to teach you that. Next, you need to remove your upper engine cover. Usually you just grab and pull it out. And if you look right here now guys, okay, on that Hyundai Tucson engine, if you look at it, check out what we have right here. That's the thermostat housing, okay, right here, all that thermostat housing, which is actually a weak spot on those, and we'll have a special video about the thermostat housing. But if you pay attention, right here, that's the lower radiator hose. On that hose right here, guys, we have actually the thermostat, okay, it's located right there. That's our thermostat housing. The little thermostat housing and the main thermostat housing. So how you guys do that now? Okay, how we remove and replace it? You have three 10mm bolts, 1, 2, 3 right here that we need to remove. So we'll go ahead and do that now. It's only with a 10mm socket guys, 10mm socket. Make sure the system is completely emptied and you will still leak some coolant out even though you drain the cooling system. So get some rags and be prepared to clean the mess. So now it's important that first bolt that we remove to remember how to install, okay, that wire holder right here, because it goes in one certain position guys. Okay, you can see that tooth goes in certain position. We have one bolt on the bottom right there, okay, and then we'll have one on top right after that on the right side. Okay, perfect. Now it's important how you put that thermostat together. Some people will really make a simple mistake. This is because you have limited visibility guys, but now we'll go ahead, pull it out. Now check it out guys. Okay, the seal will be stuck most likely right here. That's where the seal will be. Okay, so later you will need to install that seal here as well. Okay, and right here, that thermostat, now I want to show you. That's the thermostat. Okay, you grab it, okay, and you pull it out. But if you look at that thermostat, there is one tooth right here that you need to align, okay, with that place right there. It goes only in one certain way. Okay, like that. Then you just put the seal after that back on the thing and install it guys and put it together. And now another thing guys, when you're done replacing it and you're ready to add coolant, some people will just add coolant and start driving and then they wonder why their Hyundai Tucson overheats. That's a simple mistake guys, because you didn't bleed the cooling system. It's important to bleed the cooling system on your Hyundai vehicle. We have a special video how to do that once we put everything together, okay, on our channel, how to bleed cooling system on a Hyundai. So hopefully guys, it will be helpful to you. Thank you for watching and see you next time.